Yeah, good day. You're welcome to our class today. Today we want to talk about how you can connect two different fences. Now, I'll make it such that because they are far apart, the fences are not together. Let's just say, okay, connecting fences. Now, this question is one of our students who actually asked this question. He said they're far apart. How can he connect the block 1 with block 2? And you have distance between them. Okay, let me show you how you do this. Let's start this way. I'll be using the 6th line, please. Pardon me. All right. Now, from standard, our configuration, live, earth, live, earth, live, earth, live, earth, live. This is the live, which is also same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is fence A and fence B. We want to link this compound. We want to link them together. So let's assume the distance apart is maybe 15 meters apart, right? And Energizer is closer to fence B. Let's say the Energizer is here. This is Energizer. Energizer. Let's say these are. Well, let's use the correct color for this. This is the earth. This is, let's say, out. This is live return. This is live out. And here we have the earth out, and here earth return. All right. So, if we're trying to configure this, let's assume you've looped every of the edges. It means some edges will have to be broken later. You have to open it using a spring. Okay? So, if I want to link this with this, I can decide to do what we have our earth as earth will be two cables output. I don't want to loop here. Let me leave it like I'm going to make each of the parts active. So what we'll do here is, okay, this is the fence. I will have to break one of the ends to start my connection. So this end, let's open this end. Let's assume all connection here, nothing is connected here first. These ends, they are open. All these ends. So it's just the pole. This is not linked to this one yet, but they are all connected to the pole. They are not linked to themselves. So what we'll do here, let's assume, and also we need to open somewhere here still on fence B. Fence B, yes, okay. Let's open somewhere here. We can still open somewhere there later. So let's say here, there's no connection here. This is where our Energizer wants to feed this fence. So I can say, okay, let me take my live out. On this bobbin, I connect it with this. So this is coming out to this guy. So this goes all the way. It gets here. I won't link this with this. There's a space between this part and this part, and that's the bobbin separating them. All I need to do is to take a jumper, loop this to this. Then this one goes all the way back. This gets here. I won't come here. I will hit this guy. This one is returning. This one gets here, it hits this guy. is returning. Just watch me. I'll treat them as a single entity. Then this one here now, I can now take this one straight back to this fence. This one, the live here has been sorted. Watch me, the live here has been sorted. I've sorted everything that has to do with the live. But you're surprised. Why have we not treated this? Now, for you to understand this thing, you must learn to treat one side first. If this side is treated, you want to connect the other side. Now, all you need to do is just very simple. Somewhere at the edge, closer to this other face, you can use here, you can use here. Since we've opened there, we prefer to use here. If all these ones, they all connected here, they loop. All you need to do is to open the loop for one of the line, only one. Just open one line. So it means, if you remember, this one entered here and is, and is moving this direction then, this direction. You're supposed to continue here, but I've broken it, so there's stuff waiting for me here, as if the voltage is hungry, it wants to travel. All I will now need to do is to now use HT cable from fence, let's say fence B somewhere, throw a conduit pipe with my HT cable inside. I'll connect from that fence, open the fence line, take the cable through the lines, pass through that place, travel all the way to hit this line. We can decide to take it to the lowest line, because if it's traveling from the fence, where it should meet first is the bottom. Okay, let me just go to this one. I'll come connect. This is why I'm coming here. I've used, this is HT cable. So now this one comes all the way to the last line. Now this part is separate from this, so it means it's traveling this direction. It's traveling here. Gets here. When it gets here, it needs to move to the next line. Loop it with those our jumper cable. Jump this line to this line. Then it means this continues all the way, goes all the way. And when it gets here, jump this one, just that the way you just link your wire will link this with this. So it means it's moving this direction now. When it gets here, what's left here now is it marries this one, the top line, goes all the way, it's traveling, still traveling. It gets here, it remains fallow. Remember, this one was to this one, not to this one. This one is still empty. You know, remember, we started here. So this one is still fallow here. All you need to do is to use the same HT cable, link this in through the same conduit and to this one. It means your live has been sorted. This energizer is fine. Is receiving. So what is left now is the earth. This is the earth. For the earth, all you need to do, through the same, take this one from energizer, can fix. Why am I using the blue marker? Apologies, please. It's supposed to be green. Okay, from here, we'll take this one all the way to feed the green. Now, when this one moves all the way, okay, this is return. Let me use the live. Let me use the live so that that does not confuse you, though they are the same. It's just because I understand it's still the same. So let's say this is the out. Yes. But I'm just doing it as if it's just my job. No, for the purpose of training, let's have it like this. Okay, then this one moves all the way. It's still moving. It moves. It moves. It gets here. It's follow here. All you need to do, take it, loop with the last edge here. Then this one starts moving. Start moving. Gets here. Follow. I can decide to now take it straight to the energizer, because this part is closer to the energizer. That one is between this land and this other land is 15 meters, so it's far apart. You cannot say what to go there. No, I will just take this one back to the energizer, to the return. So for this part, the earth here has been treated. So I want to treat this earth here. The same thing we did for the other one. Open one of these, break here, the connection here. This thing was connected. open it, the bobbin, they will still fall at the bobbin. You know, at the bobbin, you can separate wires. One at the front, one at the back. So there's a, you have the bobbin, the wires are still there follow, but one bobbin is at the front, one of the cable at the front of the bobbin, the other one is at the back. So there's no connection. So from here, take this one, take it to the other. The marker is fainting. Okay, I have another, sorry. Okay, from here, I take this one all the way to this earth here. So it means this starts traveling. Travels this direction. It gets here. I don't need to link here because this one is still follow. I take it to this earth. So here, all the way, it gets here, I return to this wall. So that's a complete. Mind you, this cable is here from here to here. You pass through your conduit, right? Your cable that goes to the ground, but through with the HT cable, so it comes all the way back here. So this system is a complete system. Now, I can assure you, any of these lines you try to break here, anyone you try to cut, this alarm will go off immediately. The siren here on this energizer will go off, because by the time you try to open anything here, it stops supply to the energizer, senses the energizer senses it as a fault or as an intrusion, the alarm goes off. So I hope this video, this is clear enough. All you need to do is to go back, sit back, begin to review it number of times. By the time you go through it, maybe 3-4 times, I think you grab this. And please encourage others to subscribe to this channel. For some of you still teaching nonsense out there, please desist from it. If you don't know about it, ask people. Learn from the masters. Let them teach you how you do this. Till meet again in the next class. Do have a lovely day. Bye for now.